Here I have iPad Air 5th generation, and today I'm going to show you how to enable location tags in camera on this device. So firstly you have to open settings, then go to the location section by going to privacy, then location services, enable location service, then open camera, and here, like, let's take, it proposes you to enable camera location. Just you can allow once or while using app, and now every photo you take will be marked with its location. You can view it here. So yeah, and that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.